Wagwan Oli Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alicia and today I'll be doing another wig review. So if you want all the details on this wig, ensure that you stick around and continue watching the video. So this is the hair that we'll be working with today, and the company that sponsored this video today is Aisi hair, and we'll be working with a headband wig today. So in the package they do have their thank you card, and they're an Amazon store, so they want to know if you're happy or unhappy with the order. It also comes with a wig cap and this headband. So this is the wig that we'll be working with today. It's an highlighted wig. As you know, it's summer and this is the type of hair that is trending for the summer, the highlighted wigs. So inside the cap is a standard cap construction. It comes with 4 combs and the velcro strap for the headband, and that's pretty much the insole of the cap. Oh, by the way, this is a synthetic wig, so I was just checking to see if I'm getting any shedding. Yes, I did get some shedding, and that is pretty much expected with synthetic hair. So I'll leave everything down below in the description box for this wig if you do want to purchase it. So let's just pop this on. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. So this is what the hair is looking like after I installed it. So I'm going to do now is basically just to detangle the hair and show you guys what it looks like with the headband that it came with, and I'll be back to talk about the pros and cons with this wig. I wanna see how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time you, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good to show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, baby. So I was trying to decide how I want to wear the hair, but I mean, I'm just gonna leave it as is because I'm loving these curls. The curls are voluminous, like they have a lot of volume, and I actually like that about it because I mean, what is a body wig without volume? So I actually love that about this wig. Now it is very comfortable, and I actually like that. Like the headband, the velcro strap, it's not too short, it's not too long, and I like that about it. Now, as I mentioned, the volume is great, which means that the texture is also pretty awesome. If you're looking for an affordable wig in synthetic hair, this is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love the volume in it. So I'm just going to show you the bones. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up.
a synthetic wig. You probably wouldn't guess that it's a synthetic wig because you know normally it's have a lot synthetic wig have a lot of tangling. It does have tangle, not going to lie, but I mean it detangles very quickly with your fingers if you keep going through it. You don't necessarily have to go through it with a brush, and I actually like that about it. So if you guys are looking for a headband wig and you don't want to pay like a arm and a leg for a human hair headband wig, this synthetic wig is a nice option. If you guys did enjoy this video today, please ensure that you do like, share, comment, subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Oli. Go and big up yourself.